Oh my God, is that Kodak? Is that Kodak?
All right, so Juan's here with this Tahoe. We're finna put 4.5-inch spindles on it, new lowers, and inner and outer tie rod ends. Right now it's sitting on 3-inch spindles, 3.5-inch struts, and RC uppers. So today we're gonna throw 4.5-inch spindles on it and see how much bigger it gets.
Maybe a level 2.
Maybe a level 2.
Yeah.
I'm gonna measure the front real quick from tire to fender to see how much of a difference it brings. But I'm gonna grab a tape measure, go from here to here, and see what it differently, how bigger it goes. So with a 4.5-inch spindle versus a 3. So we'll figure that out. So as of right now, we're sitting at what, a little over 10.5, tad bit over 10.5. So Juan's getting all his boxes out. So we can, there's the lowers, inner and outer tie rod ends, and I guess this is the spindles. So we're gonna unbox this and look at everything. All right, so we got the wheels off. We're finna snatch these wheel lights off and then start unbolting everything. So. All right, so we figured out with 4.5-inch spindles and lowers that you cannot get that top hub bolt in unless the spindle and so you just put your 2 bottom ones in first and then put the spindle on, and then you have to like barely get it in there from this side, from the top, and then you tighten it like this. So you can't have all 3 in and try to put the spindle on because it will not clear. So we figured that part out. So let's get the side back together.
Level didn't work.
Yeah, level did not work. Juan thought we could stack a level, but that's literally basically when I had that upper and that spindle, that's basically how much with the lower jacked up, it was picking the truck up, and that's literally how much of the upper was still sticking out. So it would have never worked. And I mean, it kind of went, but the uppers would have ended themselves. They'd have folded in like this. So yeah, so we're gonna put that level out.
It's a junkyard bumper.
All right, so we got The spindle's in. You see them? They're in. New tie rod ends. I still gotta adjust the tie rod ends. That's why I haven't run that nut down. But it's done for this side. We're gonna do this side really quick. So yeah.
Oh, fuck. We gotta eat with BB. Daniel, what's up?
Looks good. We just now got done with it. Everything's done. I adjusted the alignment a little bit. Got it sitting pretty good. From that eyeball, look at that. Look at that shit. Well, the back tire sticks out a little bit further than the front, but still. Look at that from right there. Dead nuts. Dead nuts. So, yeah, I think it looks bigger. It looks bigger. Let's do the tape measure test. So we pulled off 3-inch spindles and put on 4.5. So let's test. What was it at the front? Almost, it was like 10 3/4.
Yeah, I think so.
13.
God, dude.
13. It is sitting dead nuts at 13. Oh, y'all can't even see it. There it is. Dead nuts at 13. So 2.5 inches. Prefer, I guess. Almost a little over 2 inches. So I'm gonna clean up real quick and then we'll get some pictures and clips.
Extra. This shit is hard.
It's sitting pretty big. It's pretty dang big. So yeah, that's it. We're finished with this video. So if you like it, comment, subscribe, whatever, and let me know what y'all want to see. So
Yo.
hit that. You gotta hit the camera.